Hey everybody, how you doing? And welcome to this week's full body fat burning workout. This week is super simple, but extremely effective. You have 4 exercises. You're gonna do 6 reps of each exercise, and then you're gonna try and complete as many of the circuit as you can in 15 minutes. Workout all done. As always, let me quickly take you through one complete circuit so you know exactly what to do. We're gonna start with cross mountain climber, so let's get into a plank position, and then we go one side, other side. That's 1 rep, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then we're going to do renegade road roof push-ups. So 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 2. 4 more. 3, 4. Keep your core nice and tight. 5, last one. 6. Then we're going to do squat, curl, and press. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then we're going to do dumbbell swings. 3, 4, 5, 6, and that's 1 round done. You now try and do as many rounds as you can in 15 minutes, resting as and when you need it. So there you go, guys. A lot of fun, extremely effective. And remember, if you enjoy these kinds of home workouts and you want to grab over 100 free home workouts just like this one, then you can come and grab my brand new 100% free big book of home workouts over at sixpackfactory.com/big book. And you'll be able to download it right now and start using those workouts. As always, guys, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, click on that like button. Please share it. And if you're not a subscriber yet, please subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. As always, have fun out there and keep it simple. Bye-bye.